Namaste everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about fractional numbers of standard 5th in mathematics. Fraction. A fraction is a part of whole. See, here one rectangle is given, which is equally divided into 4 parts, out of which one part is shaded, and this shaded part is a fraction of this whole rectangular part, and this shaded part can be represented as 1/4. So 1/4 is a fraction. As we know, fraction is a part of whole. So this shaded part is a fraction of this whole part. Now what is 0? Is 0 a fraction? Yes, as we can write 0/1. As we know, 1 remains always hidden. So 0/1 is equal to 0, and denominator cannot be 0 in a fraction. It is illegal. 1/0 is illegal. It is not a fraction. 0/1 or 0, it is a 0. It means overall value of this fraction is 0. So 0 is a fraction. Now, is 1 a fraction? Yes, it is a whole fraction. It is assumed as whole fraction. It means overall part. 1/1, that is 1. It is also a whole fraction. Now come at equivalent fractions. The fractions showing the same part of whole are called equivalent fractions. Here 1/2, 2/4, 4/8, 8/16, etc. All these are equivalent fractions as they are showing the same part of whole. Now, improper fractions. Fractions whose numerators are either greater than denominator or equal to denominator are called improper fractions. 3/2. 3 is numerator which is greater than 2. 10/7. 10 is greater than 7. 9/7. 19/11. Now 25/25. If numerator and denominator both are same, even then the fraction is an improper fraction. 31/31. It is also an improper fraction. Now come at proper fractions. Fractions whose numerators are less than denominators are called proper fractions. 4/7, 4 is less than 7. 1/5, 1 is less than 5. 3/11, 3 is less than 11. 7/12, etc. And in a fraction, numerator and denominator. Now come at like fractions. 2 by 7, 1 by 7, 9 by 7, 11 by 7. In these fractions, we are observing that denominators of all fractions are same. The fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, the fractions whose denominators are not same are called unlike fractions, such that 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 4 by 13, 8 by 9, etc. Now unit fractions, fractions whose numerators are 1 are called unit fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 16, etc. Mixed number, improper fractions written as a combination of a whole and a proper fraction is called mixed number. Three, 1 by 10, 8, 1 by 5, 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 4. All these numbers are containing whole number part as well as fractional part. 2 is whole number part and 3 by 4, that is fractional part. In this way, improper fractions are combinations of whole number part and proper fraction. We can change improper fraction into mixed number and mixed number into improper fraction. Improper fraction, its numerator and denominator both may be same. Now come at fractions in lowest term. A fraction in which in numerator and denominator there is only 1 as common factor is called fraction in its lowest term, such that 2 by 3. Here is no common factor other than 1 in its numerator, that is 2, and denominator, that is 3. 8 by 12. Here are common factors. Firstly, we divide its numerator and denominator by 2. As 2 is common factor, now we have 4 by 6. Again we divide its numerator and denominator by 2. Finally we get 2 by 3. Here in numerator and denominator there is no common factor other than 1. So 2 by 3 is in its lowest term. Now compare region of fractions. Fractions can be compared. It is easy to compare like fractions. In like fractions, denominators are same, so we will compare its numerators only. Or check it by cross multiplication. 3 into 5, that is 15. 5 into 1, that is 5. Do cross multiplication like this. 3, 5 and put it in top, that is 15. 5 into 1 and put it in top, that is 5. Now compare, 15 is greater than 5, so 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. In same way, we calculate it. Denominators are same. We compare its numerators. 9 is less than 11. Now unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, denominators are not same. Check it by cross multiplication. 8 into 3, that is 24. 10 into 3, that is 30. Now 24 is less than 30. So 3 by 10 is less than 3 by 8. 4 by 12 and 4 by 15. Do cross multiplication like this. 4 into 15, that is 60, and 12 into 4, that is 48, and put it like this. 4 into 15, put it here. 12 into 4, put it here. Now 60 is greater than 48. So 4 by 12 is greater than 4 by 15. Now compare by taking LCM. Comparison by taking LCM. Same example is carried here. Take LCM of 10 and 8. These are denominators of given fractions. Firstly, take LCM of denominators of given fractions. LCM of 10 and 8 is 40. Now change all denominators into 40. For this we need to do like this. 3 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. We need to change this 10 into 40. So multiply its denominator by 4 and the numerator will also be multiplied by 4. Then we get 12 by 40. And 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. We need to change this 8 into 40. For this, multiply its denominator, that is 8 by 5. So numerator will also be multiplied by 5. Then we get 3 into 5, 15. 8 into 5, that is 40. Now both fractions are like fractions. Now we can compare it easily. 12 by 40, 15 by 40. 12 by 40, 15 by 40. Denominators are same. Numerator 12 is less than 15. And 12 by 40, that is 3 by 10. 3 by 10. 15 by 40. 15 by 40, that is 3 by 8. So 3 by 10 is less than 3 by 8. Now arrange in ascending order. Take an example like this. 1, 1 by 2, 11 by 6, 3, 2 by 5, 7 by 3. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Firstly, convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. Then we get 3 by 2, 11 by 6, 17 by 5, 3 by 7 by 3. 7 by 3. LCM of its denominators. Now take LCM of its denominators. LCM of 2, 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6 is 30. Now convert all these fractions having denominator as 30. For this, 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Now change this 2 into 30. So we need to multiply this 2 by 15. So numerator will also be multiplied by 15. Then we get 45 by 30. Same denominator. Now 11 by 6 is equal to 11 by 6. To change this 6 into 30, we need to multiply this 6 by 5. So numerator will also be multiplied by 5. Finally you get 55 by 30. Same denominator. Now 17 by 5, this fraction is here. 17 by 5, multiply this 5 by 6. Then its numerator will also be multiplied by 6. Finally we get 102 by 30. Same denominator. Now come at 7 by 3. That is equal to 7 by 3 into 3 is to be changed into 30. So multiply this 3 by 10. So numerator will also be multiplied by 10. 7 into 10, that is 70, by 3 into 10, that is 30. Now all these fractions are like fractions. See, all denominators are equal. Those are equal to 30. It is easy to compare. Now in ascending order, compare all these in ascending order. We will write a smallest one. All these denominators are same. 45, after that 55, after that 70, after that 102. Now 45 by 30. 45 by 30, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 55 by 30. 55 by 30, that is 11 by 6. 11 by 6. 70 by 30, that is 7 by 3. 102 by 30, that is 17 by 5. 17 by 5. Finally, we arrange the given numbers. These are not given numbers, so we need to convert these numbers into given numbers. Those are in mixed numbers. Now 3 by 2 is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. 11 by 6, it is already given. 7 by 3, 3 whole and 2 by 5. Now one question I am leaving to solve, that is 3 by 10, 7 by 15, 5 by 6, 1 by 10, 1 by 30, 3 by 10, 7 by 15, 5 by 6 and 1 by 30. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. To arrange in ascending order, firstly select the smallest number. That's all. Thank you for watching very much.